Do you think your face is just a simple surface? To microscopic bacteria, it is a massive climate with diverse climates. Let us explore the most bustling microscopic cities hidden right on your skin, where millions of unseen inhabitants thrive every day. Welcome to the invisible landscape of your own body. Here, different regions offer completely unique environments for microscopic life to flourish. Imagine a vast terrain with valleys and mountains. Your pores act like deep craters, sheltering countless tiny organisms from the outside. Some areas are dry and barren, while others are rich and fertile. These environmental shifts dictate where bacterial populations will settle. As we zoom closer, the skin surface transforms into a complex ecosystem. It is a living, breathing world of continuous activity. Notice the vibrant colors on this digital map. Red zones indicate high biological activity, marking the most densely populated bacterial metropolises. Blue zones represent calmer, drier territories. Here, the microscopic population remains sparse, struggling to find enough resources for rapid exponential growth. But the real action happens in the center. The central region of your face is an absolute paradise for certain microbes. This is the famous T-zone, encompassing your forehead, nose, and chin. It serves as the ultimate capital city for facial bacteria. Why is this specific area so incredibly popular? The secret lies deep within the skin, where tiny factories work without resting. These factories are your sebaceous glands. They constantly pump out a rich, oily substance known as sebum to protect your skin. For the microscopic residents, sebum is not just oil. It is a luxurious, never-ending feast that provides essential nutrients for survival. A specific type of bacteria, known as Cutibacterium acnes, absolutely loves this oily environment. They gather here in massive, thriving colonies. Look at how they congregate around the pores. The high oil concentration and low oxygen levels create their perfect utopian society. While your cheeks might feel like a dry desert to them, the T-zone is a lush oasis overflowing with endless food. These tiny organisms are naturally present on everyone. They usually live in perfect harmony with your body, causing absolutely no harm. They even help protect your skin from other dangerous invaders. This delicate balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy microscopic ecosystem. However, this peaceful coexistence can easily be disrupted. A major biological event is about to change the landscape of this world. Enter the chaotic phase of puberty. This natural developmental stage brings massive transformations to your entire body, including your invisible skin. During puberty, your body starts producing a surge of new hormones. These powerful chemical messengers travel through your bloodstream with instructions. One of the main hormones involved is androgen. It acts as a powerful stimulant, waking up dormant systems across the body. When androgen reaches the sebaceous glands in your skin, it delivers a very specific command. It orders them to work harder. Suddenly, the oil factories go into overdrive. They begin producing massive amounts of sebum, far more than your skin actually needs. The gentle flow of oil turns into a raging river. The pores become completely flooded with this rich, sticky biological substance. For the bacteria living in the pores, this is incredible news. The ultimate unlimited buffet has just opened its doors wide. With an endless supply of food available, the bacteria start to feast. They consume the excess oil with incredible, unmatched enthusiasm. As they eat, they gain immense energy. This sudden abundance of resources triggers a massive and rapid biological reproduction cycle immediately. The bacterial population begins to multiply at an astonishing rate. What was once a small community quickly becomes a sprawling megacity. Millions of new bacteria are born within hours. They pack tightly into the pores, claiming every available inch of microscopic space. The once peaceful pores are now dangerously overcrowded. The sheer number of bacteria creates intense pressure within these tiny biological caverns. But the problem does not stop there. The excess oil also mixes with dead skin cells that are naturally shedding away. Together, the sticky oil and dead cells form a thick sludge. This dangerous mixture begins to build up near the surface. Slowly but surely, this sludge creates a solid plug. It acts like a cork, completely sealing the top of the pore. Now, the bacteria are trapped inside a closed environment. Oxygen can no longer enter, which is exactly what these microbes prefer. In this dark environment without any oxygen, the bacteria thrive even more. They continue to multiply rapidly without any natural limitations. As they digest the sebum, they release various waste products. These chemical byproducts begin to irritate the delicate lining of the pore. The skin senses that something is going terribly wrong. The massive bacterial overpopulation has officially broken the natural rules of balance. Your immune system acts like an internal security force. It detects the chemical distress signals coming from the blocked, infected pore. Instantly, the immune system sounds a loud biological alarm. It prepares to send its specialized troops to handle the escalating crisis. White blood cells are dispatched to the front line. They travel rapidly through the bloodstream, heading straight toward the site of infection. As the white blood cells arrive, they squeeze into the surrounding tissue. Their primary mission is to destroy the excess bacteria. A fierce microscopic battle erupts inside the blocked pore. The immune cells aggressively attack the thriving bacterial colonies to restore order. This intense biological warfare causes the surrounding blood vessels to expand. More blood rushes to the area, bringing additional defensive reinforcements. The increased blood flow makes the skin turn noticeably red. This is the first visible sign of inflammation on your face. The area also becomes swollen and warm to the touch. The accumulating pressure inside the pore pushes against the sensitive nerves. As white blood cells fight and die, they form pus. This yellowish fluid builds up, creating the familiar head of a pimple. What you see in the mirror as a simple breakout is actually a complex, microscopic war zone happening right under your skin. It is important to understand that this process is entirely natural. Your body is simply doing its best to protect itself daily. Acne is not necessarily a sign of bad hygiene. It is primarily driven by internal hormonal changes that you cannot control. During puberty, your body is learning to manage these new hormone levels. It takes time for the system to find its balance. The sebaceous glands will eventually slow down their frantic production. The raging rivers of oil will return to a gentle, steady flow. When the oil supply decreases, the bacterial population will also shrink. The overcrowded microscopic cities will return to their normal, manageable sizes. The immune system will clear away the remaining debris. The swollen, red pores will slowly heal and return to their original state. Until that natural balance is restored, there are ways to help. Proper skincare can support your skin through this challenging transitional phase. Gently washing your face removes excess surface oil and dead cells. This simple action helps prevent the formation of those troublesome plugs. Using a clean towel and avoiding harsh scrubbing is crucial. Aggressive cleaning can actually irritate the skin and make the inflammation worse. Sometimes, specialized treatments are needed to clear the blockages. Ingredients like salicylic acid can dissolve the thick sludge inside the trapped pores. Other treatments focus on reducing the bacterial population directly. They help bring the microscopic numbers back down to a safe, healthy level. It is vital to resist the urge to pop a pimple. Squeezing can push the dangerous bacteria even deeper into the skin. Popping also damages the surrounding tissue, leading to potential scarring. It is always better to let your immune system finish its job. Remember that everyone goes through this awkward biological phase. You are definitely not alone in facing these temporary, frustrating, microscopic skin battles. Looking at your face through this microscopic lens changes everything. It is no longer just skin, but a dynamic, living, breathing ecosystem. Every pore is a tiny world with its own dramatic story. The rise and fall of bacterial empires happen every single day. The central zone will always remain the most active and bustling region. It is the permanent economic hub of your facial geography. Even as an adult, stress or diet can trigger oil production. The bacteria are always waiting patiently for their next big feast, but a healthy immune system will keep them strictly in check. The balance of power is constantly shifting beneath the skin surface. Science allows us to visualize these invisible, complex biological processes clearly. We can appreciate the incredible mechanisms that keep our bodies functioning. By understanding the root causes, we remove the unfair social stigma. Acne is merely a biological response, not a personal moral failure. Education is the most powerful tool in managing our health effectively. Knowing how your skin works empowers you to make better choices. Next time you see a breakout, do not feel angry anymore. Acknowledge the incredible microscopic battle your body is fighting for you. Your skin is an amazing organ that constantly repairs and renews. Give it the gentle care and immense patience it truly deserves. Let us take another look at the glowing digital facial map. The bright red zones are slowly calming down, returning to blue. The hormonal storm of puberty eventually passes for almost every person. The microscopic landscape stabilizes, bringing a long period of lasting peace. The bacteria continue to live on your skin, quietly and harmlessly. They return to their role as peaceful, beneficial, microscopic skin residents. They consume just enough oil to survive without causing any trouble. The perfect biological harmony is finally restored across the vast continent. The once flooded pores are now clear and functioning perfectly normally. The sebum flows smoothly, providing a healthy, natural, protective skin barrier. The microscopic cities are still there, but they are peaceful now. The chaotic days of the great oil floods are ancient history. We have journeyed through the hidden geography of the human face. We witnessed the dramatic effects of hormones on a microscopic scale, from the bustling central regions to the quiet, barren desert cheeks. Every area plays a unique part in your overall skin health. The story of facial bacteria is a fascinating tale of survival. It shows how life adapts to seize every available biological opportunity. Our bodies are truly a universe of interconnected and complex systems. Every single hormone, cell, and bacterium plays a highly specific role. Exploring this invisible world gives us a profound new perspective today. We are never truly alone. We carry trillions of companions everywhere. These microscopic passengers rely entirely on us for their continued survival. In return, they help us interact safely with the outside world. Maintaining a healthy relationship with our microbiome is absolutely essential now. We must learn to work with them, not just fight them. Gentle skincare routines respect this delicate, invisible biological balance we share. Harsh chemicals can destroy both the bad and the good bacteria. Listen to what your skin is trying to tell you daily. A sudden breakout is just a message about your internal environment. Whether it is hormones, stress, or diet, everything is deeply connected. Your face is a reflection of your overall internal physical health. Treat your skin with kindness, understanding, and a lot of patience. It is doing an incredibly difficult job protecting you every second. As we zoom out from the microscopic world, the map fades. The glowing cities of bacteria disappear back into the invisible realm. We are back to seeing just a normal, everyday human face. But now you know the incredible, complex secrets hidden right underneath. You hold the power to support your skin through any challenge. Armed with this scientific knowledge, you can face the world confidently. Which zone on your face is the most active and bustling? Is it your forehead, your nose, or perhaps your prominent chin. Share your own experiences in the comment section down below today. Connect with others who are fighting the exact same microscopic battles. We are building a community of curious minds exploring science together. There is always more to discover in the hidden, microscopic universe. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating biological journey today. We hope you learned something entirely new about your amazing body. Hit that follow button for Microbe World to discover more secrets. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we will see you next time.